You look concerned. What's going on?
Leo, I have a major issue.
Okay, what is it?
I went outside and realized I forgot my key.
You forgot your key? Oh no.
Yeah, I shut the door, and the key is trapped inside.
So you locked yourself out.
Exactly. And it gets much worse.
How so?
My phone is locked inside too.
No key and no phone?
Precisely. I can't open the door and I can't call anybody.
When will your roommate be back?
Not until very late tonight.
So you're stuck outside until then.
Yes. What am I going to do?
Well, look at it this way. You have a free day now.
A free day? I feel anxious. No phone, no access to my house.
Don't worry. Maybe this is actually a good opportunity.
A good opportunity? Really?
Yes. You can try surviving one whole day unplugged from your phone.
A whole day without a phone sounds terrifying.
It could be fun. We can go out and explore things.
Go out? Where to?
Let's start with the library.
The library. Okay. But how do we get there?
We can take the bus.
The bus? But I usually take an Uber. I need my app for that.
Not today. Today, we are using the bus.
Okay, let's try it. No phone, no key, just public transport.
Here we are. This is the stop for the library route. We just wait here.
All right, we wait. Good. I was starting to get jittery.
Why jittery?
Because without my phone, I have no idea what time it is.
True, no phone usually means no clock.
Right. I always check bus schedules on my phone.
Today you learn a different method. Just look at the sign on the bus stop post.
Check the physical sign. Okay, let's get on.
All right, hop on. Just ask for one ticket to the library, please.
Got it.
Where should we sit? Aisle or window?
I prefer the window seat.
Okay, window it is.
Wow, this feels weird. Because every single person here is on their phone except me.
Yeah, most people just stare at their screens.
It makes me feel a bit uneasy. What should I do with myself?
Just look outside. Look at the architecture, the trees.
Okay. It is a nice view, actually.
Better than a tiny screen, isn't it? Without a phone, you notice the real world.
Notice the real world. I like that phrase.
And you can also talk to me.
True. Talking to a person, not a device.
Remember, we need to get off at the library stop.
Right. Don't let me miss it.
Don't worry, I'll let you know.
You know, without my phone, I feel lost, but also strangely free. It's a new feeling, but maybe it's positive. I'm learning something today? Wow, it's huge and very silent. To pay attention and learn. Okay, I'll try to focus too.
Let's find something on cooking.
Cooking books in a library?
They have books for absolutely everything here. Travel, history, cooking, not just novels.
That's new to me.
Here, let's grab this cookbook and sit by the window. The sunlight is nice there.
It feels very comfortable. Good and easy.
Look at this page. It's explaining a recipe.
A plan for making food. I want to read through it slowly.
This is nice, isn't it? Reading without digital interruptions. I'm glad you're enjoying reading this way. Do you see the difference now? No phone, just books.
Yeah, a little strained.
Let's rest them. We should go outside.
Where to?
The beach. We can look out at the horizon over the sea.
The sea sounds relaxing. Let's go.
Here is the beach, Sarah.
Wow, the ocean is so vast. It's wide open.
Look at the waves. They are constantly moving. The sea is alive. It never sleeps.
That feels fresh to me. I usually just look at pictures of beaches on Instagram.
Now, you're experiencing it with your own eyes, not through a screen.
Let's sit on the sand. It's soft and warm.
Take your shoes off. You can feel it better.
Oh wow, that feels great. Just the sea and sand, no phone needed. Yeah, so many pictures with their phones. But we don't need to do that.
I think you're right. The sun is setting now.
The colors are gorgeous, orange and pink.
The colors are gorgeous, orange and pink.
Very. I don't miss my phone at all.
See? One day without it is possible.
It's possible and peaceful. I feel genuinely free and happy enjoying this moment.
Let's go to the cinema. A movie on a big screen. Here's the cinema.
A big screen instead of a small phone. That sounds exciting. Let's go. It looks huge with all the lights.
This is the lobby, the entrance hall.
There are so many movie posters showing what's playing now or coming soon. And you already have our tickets?
Yes, 2 tickets ready to go. Let's find our seats inside.
It's so dark in here before it starts.
It's always dark for the big screen experience.
Our seats are in the middle of row 6. That sounds like a good spot for a clear picture.
Wow, the screen is massive. I feel tiny next to it.
It's starting. The sound is so loud and powerful. It feels like you're inside the story. It's nothing like my weak little phone speakers.
And the picture is bright and detailed. We are walking home now. The city feels different at night.
The streetlights make everything look soft, and the buildings are glowing. The city is still alive.
It feels calm to walk without holding a phone.
You notice more when your hands are free. I saw more and thought more today.
What did you think about?
That life can be full without a phone. I was so nervous this morning, but now I feel totally calm.
Your day really turned around step by step. The library, beach, and cinema, all unplugged.
I went a whole day without it. I feel proud of myself.
You should be. You learned a lot today.
Learned a lot? You mean like practicing English in real situations?
Exactly. On the bus, at the library, on the beach, and at the movies. You did great.